Hey guys, it's one of the makers. I'm back with another video. This time it's going to be on my new Rubik's Speed Cube. So let me just mix this up a little bit more from what I already had it from. Okay, so I finished mixing it up. Looks fairly mixed up. So let's start this. On the iPad I have a Rubik's Cube timer, so we'll use that. Ready, set, go. Oh, I didn't even look at the cube. Okay, so my end time was 1 minute and 52 seconds. Save that. So yeah, as you can see, this is a really good cube. I only learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube about 2 days ago. So yeah, go ahead and check out my unboxing for this cube. The link to buy this cube will be in the description in the other video. So go check that out. Yeah, that's my demo on the Speed Cube. Please guys rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. And another thing, I do tend to get nervous in front of the camera, but my fastest time was 1 minute and 21 seconds, as you can see from here. So yeah, I might make another video on this cube. I really like this cube. I highly recommend you get it after you learn how to solve it. It does take some time to get used to, but it's really worth it. And it's really cheap. It's only like about 11 bucks. And if you have regular shipping is pretty good if you have Amazon Prime. If you don't, just get the trial. I should stop talking now. I'll come up with a review for this probably right now. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys later next time. Bye.